All right, Brian, where we going?
It's like the Vaz Center or
the Vaz Center. So we're going to Brian's friend's place. He's got a full-size basketball court in his backyard. Yo, that's dope. Oh wow, look at this place. He's got a pool and he's got a full-size basketball court in his backyard. This is like the ultimate vacation home right here.
He's got his logo on Center.
His logo? He's got a logo?
Yeah.
Is it Acura?
Kind of looks like Acura.
How you doing, man? I'm Darren.
How are
nice
you?
to meet
Welcome.
you. Nice to meet you, Kevin.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Thanks for having me.
No problem. Welcome. Welcome. Make
You don't mind me shooting,
Not at all.
right?
No, he already gave me the heads up.
Oh, you're gonna look great.
As long as he looks bad.
I
that's
told
good.
him you got the complex.
Awesome. Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Looking forward to this. It's been ages since I played with this guy.
Yeah,
our
we've been
college
trying.
days.
We tried last year. We tried to get out here as much as we could. Even this year, we've been out here a few times already. So we're trying to get back at it.
This is amazing, man. You have a full-size basketball court in your backyard.
It's,
and a pool.
And the pool. So that's what's nice. A day like today, after we play, we just jump in.
Well, how long did it take you to build
So
this
this
court?
was here when I bought the house.
Really?
We've been here almost 7 years. And so the court was here. It wasn't lined or anything. It was just like the regular asphalt. Pool was here as well. And so the house needed some work. And I saw this. I was like, God, sold. I'll take it.
The court was what got you sold?
The court was, totally. So I play ball. My daughters play ball. And so
That's awesome. 怎么样
Wow.
？Amazing。在你家后面就有一个全场篮球场，打完了以后直接进入 pool， 那边还有一个 jacuzzi。Beautiful weather today。这边还有一个升国旗，他是那个葡萄牙人，所以后面国旗是葡萄牙的国旗。You guys don't mind being on camera, right? Okay, cool. Hey, I'm Darren. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Darren, nice to meet you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Life is good. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Thanks a lot for the hospitality, Kevin.
All good. Always
I'll see you on
welcome,
YouTube.
man. All right.
All right, good plan.
I'll share my channel with yours. I got mine on.
Oh, yeah, let's do it. See the world with DJ. All right. This guy's finally about to feed me. He hasn't given me any food all day. He said this is gonna be the highlight of the trip. What is this?
Wahlburgers.
What's the story behind Wahlburgers?
We're gonna read about it inside, but Mark Wahlberg's, I think, older
All
brother.
right, lead the way, my man.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Such a gentleman. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's his brother, huh? Mark Wahlberg's brother owns it, right? You come to Boston, you gotta come to.
Maybe one super melt, one burger,
Burgers, buffalo chicken sliders. Sure. I'll take a Coke, please. Alright, I'll Venmo
round it
you.
up to 40. Give him a nice little $3 tip.
Nice. I'll Venmo you 20. Later.
Dude, we're good.
Why?
You got me last time.
You sure?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, we're good.
With all the hotels not having to pay for them, we got a little cash to splurge.
Go to Wahlburgers. Stand with these guys right there. You can take
Come here, come here.
We're the long lost fifth brothers.
Wahlburgers, takeout.
Oops,
We're gonna take it home and eat.
No, there's no branding on the bag.
Thank you very much for
Anytime,
your
sir.
Wahlburgers.
Yeah.
Looks like a thunderstorm's coming.
Your first Boston thunderstorm.
Well, don't worry. This is just getting us ready for Iceland. Did you just drive us into a cul-de-sac?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, you wanted to?
Yeah.
Oh, you wanted to show me the houses. Nice. How's this one? Wow. Look at that house.
It's nice.
It's like a castle, bro.
That's just the guest house.
That's just the guest house to the main house, right? When you get one of these, man,
Then you'll come visit more.
I'll take your guest house any day.
All right. It's yours. I'll put your name on it.
All right. On the main house? On the deed?
What? I meant on the guest house, like physically. But if you need to get written into the will, maybe the will.
He's already killed his burger. I haven't even started yet. So these are buffalo chicken bites, right?
Yep.
Let's try one of these.
Wahlburgers. Mm. Oh yeah.
Very good and creamy.
Yeah. Creamy.
This is opening. Da 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 da. It super melts. Are you sure you don't want half of this? I can share it with you.
Thank you, though. Looks good.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Double the patty, double the cheese, bro. Double trouble.
What?
That's what Iceland is gonna have for the week.
That's what I said. You and me.
Oh my
The
god.
guys were,
Oh my god.
Well,
you know,
2,000 ants.
Yo, bro. You are a good man.
Omelets all day. That's all I know how to cook.
Making me omelets again. You are a good man. And coffee. Thank you.
Cheers, bro.
13 hours before we get to meet our great friend, Olaf.
Olaf.
He's the man, huh?
He's a good man.
He's a good man.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Olaf.
Thanks, Olaf. See you soon.
Yep. Can I get a cup, please?
How about some more
I'm gonna,
juice?
sure. I want some more.
You seem like a Mickey Mouse kind of guy.
I ain't gonna say anything. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, it's just
You kind of get my point, right?
Yeah. Disney Plus kind of dude.
Yeah. Where's your Donald Duck?
More of a goofy guy.
Oh.
I know. You want me to do that? Like lift it up?
Why don't we do that when you have rubbing alcohol? Do you have cotton balls or like cotton swabs?
Yes.
I think cotton swabs will probably work better. Like I'll lift it up and you help me clean it because I already washed them with soap when I was in the shower, so we can probably skip that part. This is nothing, man.
New York streets are hard. I got it. I think.
You got it.
Alright, do you want us to call you later?
Sorry, Amy. He's just taking care of me.
I'm
Are you okay?
I'm fixing Darren's hand that got all effed up. fighting.
You see how I got the skin open?
Yeah.
Yeah, just try to get that black stuff out. You gotta put a little alcohol though. It's dry.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. You're a doctor?
No.
You kidding me? Thank you, sir. All right. You make me whole, and then you broke me apart.
And I put you back together.
I knew that was coming. We got America's next top male model standing over there. Are we doing barbecue today? I smell it, man.
Check it out. Smell it.
It smells nice. Ooh, look at that. That's what we're talking about. Only 2 pieces though? No.
For you, one for me, mac and cheese and veggies. What more do you want?
You.
You had
All right, see you later.
You already had that.
Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, you're gonna put that card on me. And this looks great. Look at this. Where's the chef? Oh. Yum. You've seen my Instagram stories. I cook all the time, so it's been nice.
Yeah, give you a break.
We got macaroni and cheese, veggies, and a piece of chicken hot off the grill. You're the man. You're the man. You're a very good host.
Let's go.
Roast beef 3-way.
Roast beef 3-way. So 3
Okay.
ways meaning mayonnaise, cheese, and barbecue sauce.
All right, here we go. Roast beef 3 ways. You got extra cash to splurge on food.
Exactly.
I wouldn't call this splurging though, but hey,
This
you
isn't
know what I
splurging,
mean.
but this is some local delicacy.
Absolutely.
You can't find this
We're about to
anywhere
enjoy
else.
some 3 ways.
Yeah.
3 dub.
3W.
All right, 3 dub. Let's check it out.
3 dubs.
Wow, that's a nice looking bun.
It's messy. You gotta get in there.
It's a nice looking bun. Ooh, look at that. A lot of mayo. I see the roast beef, kind of tender.
Melted
Yep,
cheese.
like it. Melted cheese.
At the bottom.
So this is pretty local to the Boston area, huh?
North of Boston, specifically.
All right. Well, here we go.
It's pretty
First
good.
bite of heaven. Mmm.
It's different.
Very flavorful. The roast beef is really tender. Feels like it has a lot of layers.
Yep.
And then I taste the mayo. I taste the homemade barbecue sauce, maybe. It's not spicy.
The onion roll gives it that little punch. On the rare side, sliced roast beef, toasted onion roll.
Oh yeah, second bite is even better.
Yeah, it gets,
I like the second
it's
bite.
pretty good.
I have a backhand leakage situation going on here. Bro,
I really lost some.
this is supposed to come out on the
You
backhand.
can't be shy with this thing. It's tough to handle.
Look at this.
You gotta be quick,
It's like dripping.
decisive.
Uh-huh.
Gotta be like John Morant in paint. There's a lot of stuff happening. I already lost half of mine. It happens.
Yo, B. 看这个人在外面锻炼 ，stay in shape. Somebody stay in shape. Look at him. Oh boy. You go, B. Good job, man. Keep going. Very good. You're the man. You're the man.
It's got rain
Getting
all
ready, huh?
That works.
Yeah, that looks good.
All right.
That looks good. You might want to get a size larger though,
Why?
because you're gonna wear something underneath to keep yourself warm, right? This is just gonna be a coat that you put on
I'm good.
the outside. All right.
Larger? No.
You're too big, man.
Same thing.
How much is it?
It's $2.50.
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm I'm gonna go red.
Sure. North Face is
These are a little bit more respectable. 89. I can do that.
North Face is making their bottom line.
Yeah, they have to. Need
All right,
anything?
man.
You need a jacket? Need pants?
No, I'm
need
good.
underwear?
No, I'm good. Hey, you know what I need?
Money?
You, my friend. Dude, this does not mean money. This means love.
If you go like this. Oh,
yeah.
no. Oh,
I didn't go like that.
Yeah.
Not everything in life is about money, man. It's about love.
Well, I'm just thinking 250. That was throwing me off.
You wanna go to Marshall's or like TJ Maxx or somewhere like that? Get some knockoffs, man. Save your money for the fermented shark.